Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Chatting with Chops. My name is Karen and I try and make fun and entertaining videos that might teach you something. I'm doing a little abbreviated vlogmas right now, and I thought I'd bring you along to show you some of my ornaments and kind of the history of some of them and where they came from. I have been collecting ornaments since before I got married. It was just a fun little thing that we used to do. A lot of these ornaments that I have are from gifts from people. They are ornaments that we have made, ornaments that I have found through different traveling and fun vacations. And you'll see, again, some of these are like trademark ornaments, and I am not sponsored by anybody or affiliated with anybody, so it'd be nice if I was. I wouldn't mind it. Hey, Hallmark or Snoopy, I thought you could come along with me and help decorate my tree with me. So let's get started. So basically what I do is I have all of these ornaments individually wrapped in tissue paper, and then I have this little, what we used to call a foam table, but it's just a little high table that my husband made for me that I keep in the kitchen, and I use it to just basically unwrap a bunch of ornaments at one time, and then I can put them on the tree without having to unwrap each one and then walk to the tree and put it on. So it makes things go a little bit quicker, a little bit better. You'll definitely see some of these ornaments are really old. I've been collecting for a long time, and I received them as gifts and all kinds of fun things. Once we get the table all filled up, we start putting the ornaments on the tree, and I'll do this back and forth several times because there's a lot of ornaments to fill up this beautiful tree. I don't really have any rhyme or reason where I put certain ornaments. I do like to put the really, really small ones that you might see later on at the very top. And I have quite a few of these beautiful commemorative Snoopy ornaments that my father-in-law likes to buy for us, so I try and spread those out around the tree. But otherwise, it's just, oh, and I put some of the really, really big, heavy ones I'll put at the very bottom. But otherwise, I just start putting them on the tree. Everybody, I wanted to show you the finished product. This is what happens when you have a 9-foot Christmas tree. You have a lot of Christmas ornaments. As I said before, I have collected these ornaments over many, many years, and a lot of them have been made by me, have been made by my family, and they've been bought at stores that do not exist anymore. Again, I am not sponsored by anyone or affiliated with anyone. But these are all the wonderful ornaments that I have collected over the years and make up my beautiful Christmas tree. So again, this is my attempt at an abbreviated Vlogmas. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. And we will most likely be decorating the rest of the house or making some Christmas goodies or something fun like that. So thanks for watching.